SK Tools reached out to me asking if I'd be interested in checking out a pair of their tin snips. I've been building a nesting box for our chicken coop, and I've got this old rustic tin that I'm going to use, but I need to cut it in half. It'll be just wide enough to cover the little lid that raises up. I'm going to open this up and get it checked out. Now again, this is old school tin. This isn't the cheap little thin stuff that you get at the big box stores nowadays. This stuff's probably 70, 80 years old. It came out of an old horse corral. All right, let's go ahead and get this opened up and see what we got. Got a box in a box. 8-inch compound Action Tin Snip. Oh my gosh, what an incredible looking pair of snips. Just right off the bat, I mean, that fits perfect in your hand. All right, I can't wait to try these out. This is a very impressive tool. We got to get this checked out. I'm normally left-handed, but I cut with scissors with the right hand, so we're going to try cutting with the right hand with these snips here. Oh my gosh, that is like butter. All right, there you go. These SK 8-inch compound snips just did an amazing job. They cut through this like it was butter. No issues at all. It just felt like I was pretty much using a pair of scissors cutting through paper. Man, a big shout out to SK for sending me these to try out. Thank you so much. I'm really impressed with this. This will definitely be part of my arsenal moving forward. I do a lot of projects with rustic tin, and this is by far the easiest method I've found to get through it with no issues. This would be a perfect thing to look for when you're looking for Black Friday gifts, or it'd be a great thing for Father's Day, birthday, whatever. I appreciate you guys watching. Have a great day.